In this video, I'm going to show you a very effective way to find t-shirts that have been recently posted to merch by Amazon that have already got a very low BSR. These t-shirts are obviously great to find because they could be an indicator for new trends or maybe even evergreen niches with low competition because what's uploaded to those niches seems to start selling very quickly. The tool we're going to be using for this is PODCS, and you can click the link in the description to get to their website. You can sign up for free to try this tool out. Basically, to find the new trending shirts, you'll have to head over to the sidebar where it says Merch by Amazon tool and then click on Seller Trends. And this is a very, very cool and powerful window. What I would recommend doing is clicking on Newcomer over here and change this to in 100 days. And then if we scroll down a bit, we'll have t-shirt designs loading, which as you can see have been posted within the last 100 days and have already got a decent BSR. Now you can filter this by BSR numbers here as well. If you wanted to narrow it down to say, I don't know, just 1 to 500,000 maybe, but we'll just scroll through and take a look at what's generally showing up right here. So we've got some Hanukkah designs, which is quite a good idea. That's a trend that's coming up in December. There is a kayaking ugly Christmas sweater, which was only posted 26 days ago, and it's already got a 280k BSR, which is really good for a recently posted shirt. So you will want to scroll through these and basically look for designs that stand out to you because you've not seen them before, or maybe they're a niche that is not very broad, not very common. If you see something that catches your interest, which has very, very low days, like this one's only got 11 days right here, so very, very recent shirt, and also a decent BSR, then you occasionally just want to click onto this open in Amazon tab. Then you'd want to check it for keywords. I'm using the Merch Informer trademark check button for this, and as you can see the title is clean, so you could maybe say copy Dear Santa just bring horses, then paste this into the merch research tool by Merch Informer, which I will leave a link to down below in the description. Hit search, and as we can see there's only 93 results. Let's change the link however and delete minus keywords equal orca. It's gone up to 165 results, which is still decent. Some people I know also go to page 3, which doesn't change the results at all. I don't fully believe in the page 3 thing because with some niches it just doesn't make sense. Like disc golf has got on page 3 70,000 results, which is the same as the gaming niche on page 3, and those two niches definitely aren't the same size. But nevertheless, as you can see, this sentence right here does not have much competition. Now there is not too many shirts that are selling, like a lot of these don't have a BSR, so that's not a perfect niche, but the fact that there's a t-shirt which is very recently posted which has started to sell is definitely a good indication that there is potential. Again, I'm just showing you examples here of the sort of process that I would take. Try and find cool looking ideas that have been recently posted in PODCS with a good BSR, and then check them for competition or search results on Amazon. So even though that horse one was maybe not a perfect example, it gives you an idea of the process you have to go through. You can sometimes also just get some cool ideas in terms of designs. For example, Thanksgiving is trending at the moment, so you'll see a lot of new t-shirts right here that are selling for Thanksgiving, and you might just get some new ideas like thankful for my second grade turkeys. That's a really cool way to target teachers who want to wear something Thanksgiving themed. We've got It's All Gravy Baby, which is a nice sort of groovy hippie style design over here. Then we've got one more design right here which looks interesting, 22 days old, and it's got a very long phrase on it which I've never seen before, so maybe once again that would be worth looking further into, whether that phrase has much competition, because there seems to be quite a bit of interest there. Always obviously make sure to check for trademarks as well, and don't ignore that. Here we've got an example for a potential evergreen niche maybe. So it says super cool goat lady. I've never seen a design like that, and it's not very old, only 1 month, and it's got a 500k BSR, so maybe that's an evergreen niche opportunity right there. So this is not just helpful for low tier sellers who are looking to find trending shirts or new trends, but also for people that want to find some new evergreen designs or evergreen niche ideas. You can also use the trends up button. That's quite a handy one, and in this case I'm just going to scale down the BSR slider to about 500k, so we only get low BSR results. As you can see, this is going to show us t-shirts which have seen a massive drop in BSR. This one's improved from 910k to 455k. So obviously looking at designs which have dropped a lot recently in BSR, just another way to find trending shirts or potential new trends. And there's a wide variety of things here, quite a lot of axolotl designs. We've got some more horse designs. You can see there's some international marketplaces mixed in right here as well. You could filter them out separately at the top if you wanted to. You've got US, UK, Germany, and France. This looks like a cool idea and like a design that's doing really well right here for Thanksgiving. It's got an 80k BSR, which is really low. The trend is up by 97% as well. Very funny phrase, and one that I haven't seen too many times, and I have been looking through Thanksgiving or through this Thanksgiving niche a lot recently, so maybe that's a phrase that's not got too much competition and you could recreate. So once again, these are just examples, but that's the sort of stuff you want to look for: low BSRs and trend going up. And then once again, if you found something interesting, make sure to check it for competition as well. If you don't have many upload slots, that's quite important. If you are in a higher tier and you can upload a lot of stuff, then you don't always have to just enter low competition trends or niches. You can also just try some bigger ones with more search results. It doesn't hurt, even if on Merch by Amazon maybe the competition is too high. Potentially on other marketplaces you get a bit more of a chance. So definitely don't ignore bigger niches. You don't always have to find the perfect one. Now, knowing how to find trends and good niches is one thing, but you also need to know how to properly optimize your Merch by Amazon listings to make sure that your t-shirts get found and get the sales they deserve. And that's why you will definitely benefit from watching this video next, where I show you how to create your listings, where to find the right keywords, and I give you examples to learn from as well.